Where will we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
Bossy, bossy, boss.
What do you want to play today, Kate?
Let's look in the box.
Look, Kate, tools.
Let's build a house for the ducks.
Yeah, where they can stay warm all winter long.
Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate jumped out of their magical box and ran with their tools to tell the ducks about their big building project.
Well, what do you think?
You want to help? Do you have your own tools?
Wow! I guess you do.
So who's going to be in charge?
Well, I think I'm the natural leader for this job, so I should be in charge.
Okay, then you're the boss, Kit.
Great. We'll build the house here on the beach so the ducks can go swimming just as soon as they step outside.
But the ground up there looks a lot more solid.
Well, maybe so, but I'm the boss, and I want to build it here.
Okay.
Great! Now we need to fill in the gaps between these logs. Let's use jelly.
Jelly?
Yeah, it's really sticky, and if we get hungry, we can make sandwiches.
But Quack thinks cement would be stronger.
Well, maybe so, but I'm the boss, and I want to use jelly.
Okay.
Perfect. Now, all we need is the roof.
Right. Quake thinks we should use these wooden shingles.
Well, I'm the boss, and I think we should use Scotch tape.
Scotch tape?
Yeah, so we'll be able to see the sky from inside.
Soon the house was finished just the way Kit wanted.
See? Isn't it great?
Where's that wind coming from?
Shoo! Go away, Bear!
But I'm hungry.
Kit, look up there!
Yeah, isn't it beautiful?
Not for long.
Don't worry, it's just a little leak.
Not anymore. We better get out of here. Thanks, boss.
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
My goodness, children. What are you doing out here on such a cold, wet day?
We came to build a house for the ducks.
Then you should get inside there to dry off and get warm.
We can't. It fell apart.
How come?
'Cause we built it on sand with jelly and Scotch tape.
Really? And whose ideas were those?
His. I wanted to build it up here, and the ducks wanted to use cement and shingles, but he wouldn't listen.
Why not?
Because I'm the boss, and that means we get to make it my way, with my ideas.
And what if you tried using some of their ideas?
Well, we'd probably be inside a nice warm house. Oh, I understand. Being the boss doesn't mean just getting your own way. It means listening to everyone so you can choose the best way. Thanks, Dad!
Hey, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kate. But this time, I'll try to be a good boss instead of just a bossy one.
Now we know, so back we go!
Kit and Kate started their building adventure all over again. But this time, Kit listened to everyone's ideas and chose the ones that were best, even if they weren't his own.
Thanks for all the great ideas, everyone. And I've got one more. Let's eat jelly sandwiches. We got plenty.
Did someone say jelly sandwiches?
What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
The real deal.
What do you want to play today, Kate?
Let's look in the box.
Look, Kate, a movie camera and a megaphone.
Let's be movie makers.
Yeah, we can make our own movie at K&K Studios. Go, kitties, let's go!
When Kit and Kate jumped out of their magical box, their room transformed into a real movie studio with fantastic sets.
Wow, this place is great!
And look, here's a theater where we can show our movie when it's done.
Yeah, now all we need's an actor.
Did someone say actor? Then I'm your elf. I can juggle, do magic, and be super silly for your movie.
Really?
Really, I promise.
Looks like we found our lead.
But before we start, I want you to promise me something.
What?
That I can do my Oochie Goochie dance in your movie.
We promise.
Then it's a deal.
Great. Roll 'em, Kit.
And action.
Once there was an elf who loved to be magically silly. Whoop-de-doo, whoop-de-doo, whoop-de-doo. Cut! That was amazing!
Thanks. Just wait till you see my next trick.
And action.
Zippity-doo.
Cut.
We love it!
So now can I do my Oochie Goochie dance?
Sure, but could you do a little juggling first?
You got it.
Could you juggle a pickle?
And a pink piggy!
And a big bike one. Cut. Stupendous.
Yeah, you can't beat that ending. Let's go show it at the theater right now.
See you there, Mr. Elf.
But my Oochie Goochie dance.
Don't worry, the movie's great.
Everyone's gonna love it.
But you promised! We had a deal!
Kit and Kate couldn't wait to show everyone what they made. But when the movie came on the big screen, the kitties couldn't believe their eyes.
Huh? Once there were two kitties named Kit and Kate. They were bad, bad kitties who didn't keep their promises. And what do we think of kitties who don't keep their promises?
Boo! Boo!
I'm leaving.
Yeah, me too. Boo!
Oh, no!
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
What's wrong, kitties?
That mean elf ruined our movie.
Just because we didn't film his silly dance.
Really? Why did he think you'd film his dance?
Well, we promised we would, after we filmed everything he promised to do.
Did he do everything he promised?
Yeah.
But everything he did was so great we didn't need his dance anymore.
So he did what he promised, but you didn't.
Well, no.
And how would you have felt if the elf hadn't done what he promised?
That you can't trust elves.
Hey, I get it. Making a promise is telling someone they can trust you.
Thanks, Mom.
Hey, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kate. But this time, we'll keep our promise.
Right. A deal's a deal.
Now we know, so back we go!
Kit and Kate started their movie-making adventure all over again. But this time...
How about some magic juggling?
Yeah! Oh, wait, no. We have another scene we need to film.
But juggling would be so funny.
Maybe, but we made a promise, and we have to keep it.
Right, Mr. Elf, it's time for...
Oochie Goochie!
And action!
Oochie Goochie, Oochie Goochie, Oochie Goochie Goo. Oochie Goochie, Oochie Goochie,
I love this song.
We all do.
Oochie Goochie, Oochie Goochie, Oochie Goochie.
And Kit and Kate made the elves so happy with a blockbuster idea, keeping their promise.